Hello students, welcome to eGanit. Today we are dealing with class 8 chapter number 11 mensuration. We are going to solve problem number 5 from exercise 11.1. Let us read the problem. An ant is moving around a few food pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which food piece would the ant have to take a longer round? Certain figures of food pieces are given over here. We have to find out around which food piece an ant will take a longer round. Now, what we have to find out? We have to find out that how this means the boundary of this all food pieces. Boundary means perimeter of all these food pieces. Then only we will come to know that which figure is having more perimeter. Accordingly, an ant will take a longer round around that particular food piece. Okay. Now, can you see one thing? Can you notice one thing? That each figure is having a semicircular region. Okay. So, what we need to find out? We need to find out the perimeter of this semicircular region as well as the other parts even, okay, other segments even of this particular figure, right? So, for that I am giving you a hint. My hint is circumference of a circle can be obtained by using the expression C is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. Now, according to my hint, circumference of a circle, it means perimeter of a circle is given as 2 pi r. Each food piece is having semicircular region. So, what can be the perimeter of this semicircular region? It is half of the perimeter of the circle. That means it is half of 2 pi r. Half of 2 pi r is equal to pi r. So, the perimeter of this semicircular region is 2 pi r. Now, it is easy to find out the perimeter of other food pieces, but let us find out one by one. Okay, this is the first food piece. This is an ant moving around this. Let us see, this ant is moving around this food piece. She is completing one round around this food piece. Okay, so how much she completed? She completed this semicircular path as well as this straight line. As we know, this straight line is 2.8. It means the diameter even of this semicircle is 2.8. So, what can be the radius? The radius is equal to 2.8 by 2, which is equal to 1.4. The path this ant cover is this semicircular region, circumference of the semicircular region, that is pi r, and this straight line, that is 2.8. Now, substituting the values of pi r, this is equal to 2.8 centimeter into plus 22 by 7 into 1.4. I know 7 ones are 7 and this is 0.2. Right, and when I multiply with this, this is 2.8 plus 4.4. Got it? This is equal to 7.2 centimeter. So, what is the perimeter of this food piece? It is equal to 7.2 centimeter. Right? Let us move further for the next food piece. This one. See, this ant is moving around this food piece. It's covering these straight lines and this semicircular region, isn't it? So, what is the perimeter of this one? It is this side, this is 1.5 centimeter, then this side, this is 2.8, this is 1.5, and then this semicircular region. Again, to find this, the perimeter of this semicircular region, we need to know the radius. Radius we find out in the similar way, which is equal to 1.4. Okay. So now for this, for the perimeter of this food piece, we have to add this 1.5, 2.8, 1.5 and this semicircular region, that is pi r. Okay, pi into r, right? So this is equal to, we will get, this is equal to 5.8 plus pi r, value of pi r is 22/7 into 1.4. Again it is similar, which is equal to 5.8 plus 4.4, which is equal to 10.2. Okay, so 10.2 centimeter. Now for the third phase, let us see, this ant is moving like this. Okay, completing the semicircular round, then this straight line and then this straight line. So the semicircular round is having perimeter pi r plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. Again for value of r, it is 2.8/2, which is equal to 1.4, and the perimeter of the food piece is given as pi r plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 22/7 into 1.4 plus 2 plus 2 is 4. This again equal to 4.4 plus 4 centimeter. Okay, which is equal to 8.4 centimeter. Right? So we got the perimeter of third part even. Just now we had seen that the perimeter of first part is 7.2, the perimeter of second part is 10.2, and the perimeter of the third part is 8.4. Clearly we can see that the ant took, means the perimeter of the food piece B is more. Okay, it means the ant took longer round around this food piece B, and hence this is the answer. You got the answer easily. So to get easy answers of such difficult questions, please like, share and subscribe our app eGanit.